Now these are some of the things you need to keep ready for putting in your 4 assignments. The evidence, they are all called the evidences. The evidence for module 1, which is the design module, must include a program plan. All of you have done your program plan, and 2 completed learning session plans. These are the 3 pages which are in the landscape format. Using the layout provided by CIE in the templates. So it's very important to stick to the layout given. So the first module is pretty simple, nothing extra to be inserted in the assignment. The evidence for module 2, which is the practice module, must include observation of performance. And who is going to observe your performance? The mentor? Yeah. Earlier, till last year, we had, space for putting in peer observation, feedback, and other people also could come and observe, and you could insert all those things. But in the present 2010 format, they have simplified the whole thing. They have made the assignment more streamlined, and they have removed certain pages to make it slim and easy to handle. So you will be putting only your mentor's observation reports. She will be giving you a soft copy of this with her signature, and the template will be scanned and sent to you, and you have to insert. There is a page in your assignment where you have to insert the observer's feedback. There are 2 pages, one for the first observation session and the other pages for the do not mix up. When you are inserting, you have to be very careful, and if you don't know how to insert, please take the help of your computer teacher. And in the second module assignment, you can also insert up to 6 photographs of your sessions in progress. I hope you are all taking photographs. Pardon? Yeah, besides observers' feedback and learner feedback, you can also put up to 6 photographs. Compressed to a certain size. The scanning guidelines are given in the guide. You can have a look at the guidelines. You can show children working in groups. You can show yourself doing something. Ask your friends to take photographs. Yeah, up to 6. And you have to stick to these numbers. If you put more, the file becomes very heavy. Candidates should note that all the requirements above are compulsory. Whatever we discussed now, whatever things are to be inserted, need to be inserted in the assignments. And if you send your assignment without those, there are chances of the assignment being marked failed, in which case you have to resubmit the assignment again with a fee.